I want to show you guys one very simple exercise you can do and one stretch to open your sunken chest, okay? And this is going to have a huge improvement on the way your pectus excavatum looks. And so the whole premise behind what I'm about to show you is it all relates to posture. And the reason this is so important is with pectus, typically we have tight pecs. And when we have tight pecs, that's pulling us into rounded posture. Our shoulders are rolled forward. This makes the indent look a lot deeper. So to actually fix this rolled forward posture of the shoulders, we need to strengthen the back, okay? Particularly like your upper back, your scapula, your rhomboids, your mid back. So there's a very simple exercise we can do for this that you can do at home. All you need is a resistance band, and I'll show you in a second. And then the other thing we need to think about is also stretching the pecs. So stretching, we want to stretch the pecs to open that up. And posture is a huge thing. You know, I just had a call with a new client signing up literally this morning, and I was so excited to meet him and have him on board because like his posture is making his pectus look double as bad as what it really is. So as soon as we open that up, and I know I can get him to open that up like within a couple of months, it's going to make such a big difference. And also he's really skinny, so it's making it look so much worse. So we can completely change his pectus, and I'm really excited. And so it's simple movements like this that we implement. You know, obviously for my clients, it's a full-on program with like dozens of different great weight training exercises and stretches, but here's just two really good ones that you guys can take home with you. So really simple exercise you can do to help strengthen your mid upper back, your scapula. Okay, so the scapula is actually what's controlling this rolling of the shoulder. So we want to strengthen the muscles around there to help make that more of a default position. And so just a band pull apart, okay? You need a light band, grip it shoulder width and pull apart with straight arms. Thinking about these muscles, rear delts, scapula, mid back. Think about that. Feel it retracting and pulling back. And then as you pull, open your chest. Now, don't let your lower back arch when you're doing this. So don't go like this. That's taking away from it. That's reducing the range of motion. This anterior tilt is also another posture we want to work on for rib flare. So what we want to do is keep our core engaged, posture good, roll the shoulder blades back and pull, okay? You should be able to see, if I go from behind, you'll see all these muscles working. Like, it's actually something I put in my warm-ups for my clients. So it's basically in their program every day because it's doing it as part of their warm-up protocol as an actual exercise, and it's in some of the workouts as well. But my clients are doing this all the time, okay? So it's a great exercise. So just to reiterate, shoulder width, grip it, and pull. Okay, and now from a rep scheme point of view, if you're actually treating this as an exercise, you're probably going to have to do about 15 to 20 at least. You know, it's hard to get it to that like close to failure point of view, and when you're training close to failure, that's when you're creating the adaptation. Now, please keep in mind tempo is very important with this as well. So don't just go freaking doing these ones. Like, have intention with your workouts and exercises. It's something I always teach my clients about: mind-muscle connection and intention and a slow tempo. So slow and controlled, focusing on the muscles you're trying to feel it in, okay? Now with this same band, I'm gonna show you guys a great stretch to help open up your chest. And it's a band pullover stretch. So again, I actually program this in my warm-ups for my clients as well. So it's something they're hitting every time they go in the gym, and it's all related to just getting extra work on the posture, and it also helps warm up your shoulders so they're safer. Shoulder injuries are super common when you start weight training, and so you really need to make sure you're warming up and bulletproofing them. So anyway, so for this exercise, it's a band pullover stretch. So again, we're gripping it about shoulder width. Now, if you're tight, you might need to go all the way out because you're going to be really tight through your pecs, okay? If you're not tight and you've been doing this for a while, or you've just got better mobility, you can grip it about shoulder width, create tension. So same deal as the band pull apart, we're creating a bit of tension, and then we're going to, again, keep our core down, same deal, and pull all the way through, keeping our body, our core engaged and not looping in our lower back, keeping that tight. You can cheat it by rounding through your lower back, okay? Again, slow, intentional reps, okay? Feeling like I actually trained my chest yesterday, and so I'm feeling this like loosening my pecs right now, and it feels great. So guys, this is two super easy exercises. All you need is a band, and you could do them at home. I'm in my home gym right now filming this, and the benefit it will have on your posture is tremendous. And what I'm trying to explain to you guys with this video is that a lot of people go to just train chest and they have no intention of their posture, but that is so important. And so to change posture is a combination of two things: strengthening weak muscles, Remember, the back, okay? That's what we're trying to hit. A good banded pull apart, yeah? And then stretching tight muscles, the pecs, okay? For most of you, they're gonna be tight. If you've been training, I bet you made the big mistake of just pushing. Let's go to the chest, let's make the pectus better. And you haven't done enough back. So you need to do more back, more pulling and pushing, or at least even, and then also stretch the pecs, okay? So thanks guys, I hope this was helpful. If you're interested in coaching, you want just a proper program plan that's proven to work, you know, I've helped thousands of people now. I've been doing this for like 10 years, a decade. I've coached people just with Pectus. If you're interested, then I have some slots available. You can book a strategy call with me at fixpectus.com. Then I can meet you personally, determine the right approach, and then we can get started. Thanks guys, peace.